Okay, this is one of the websites I use, Pay Viewpoint. I got to $13.03 and I'ma choose PayPal. Like I said, digital envelopes. It's the way to my $5,000 in less than 3 months. I want to show you. Look how I've been earning so far this year, but that, like I said, this not a part of my envelopes, but like I said, digital and the cash envelopes is the way to go. And like I said, Pay Viewpoint, the link is below, besides some other sites. And I just want to show that I'm getting ready to cash out. So I'm getting ready to hit that button. And voila, and it's going to go to PayPal, which the link is below for you to get started with PayPal, free to join. And my road is to $5,000 in less than 3 months. I'm not saying 3 months, less than, because you're using the digital plus the cash envelopes. Now, this is where the digital come in at. Remember, you sign up with PayPal. The link is below. Then you're going to get a PayPal debit card. You see that down at the bottom? Yeah, the PayPal debit card is free to get. And where you could mainly, PayPal wants you to use it in stores. If, sometimes it's not, you might not just want to get things online. You might want to get gas or anything like that. But what I do with it, like I said, what I'm going to do is show you I'm going to transfer this to my PayPal savings. This is where the digital come in. Instead of digital, the cash envelopes we use, we going to use the digital envelopes. I started out with $10 in the digital. So, and I'm getting interest on that digital. So I'm about to show you that. Like I said, this is my balance. Then I'm going to show you, I'm going to transfer it so you can see that. Well, I actually had two transactions I had to switch over. I had another $10, then I had the $13.03. So those I switched over. And like I said, it's going on the PayPal savings. And it's 4.13% is paying. So I even giving more money than ever. You see it? So the first thing you do, you sign up for PayPal. Then you could get the PayPal debit, and PayPal have a savings, which pays 4.13% of your money. Think about it. Not just do the envelope, like I said, what we talked about, that a certain percentage, or pick a certain envelope and put it in there towards the 5,000 in less than 3 months. But also, what I've been telling you, how you could get digital money. This is a faster way, so it's less than 3 months. It's less than 90 days. So tell me, please like, share, and subscribe, and tell me if this is a great new modern way of doing the envelope. You doing the envelope? You're just doing it a little different. It's digital envelope. And writing it down as you go along to that road to $5,000. But it's really going to be a little over that when you get to it. Yes, it is. But keep staying tuned to me, because we going to do this road together. Okay, this is the Income Ideas Hub. I am back. I'm on my way to the road of $5,000 in less than 90 days. I know we could do it. I know we could do it. We could do this. Now, the title of this video is How to Combine Digital Money and Cash Envelopes Savings for Maximum Results. What? Say it again? Income Ideas Hub. How to combine digital money and cash envelope savings like these for maximum results. Well, I'm going to show you a couple of things. Now, right here, this is my digital money. Now, why I put that little, well, it's a little arrow, like I put a plus sign and a 6, because that is my interest I already got from June 1st, which I should have stayed June 1st on it. And I want to show you what I've been doing to get my digital money. And I put that percentage right there for a point. Because guess what? The interest rate on what? My digital money used to be 4.13%. Now it's 4.130%. It has gone up. Now we used to our credit card interest rates going up, but not what? Not our savings. So now I've been doing my things to get my digital money, which if you've seen on my part 1, part 2, and part 3 video, and you seen on that how I got my digital money, and look how it add up. Now I got $33.09. 6 cents of that is interest. So just imagine, the more I put in, the more interest I get. Right. Now, I want you to focus on this why I got 14 on it. Because I had to go to the DMV and renew my tags. And then I had some change left. So I had, what's that? 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 bucks. So I put it with what I have now. So I want to tell you, okay, you see here on my digital money, I got $33.09. Now here, already here so far, you can see 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, on the reason because my change was a little different and add 14 to it. So this is 36 bucks here. And then the 14, that make that 50. And then with my digital, look at there. It's almost 100 bucks. Getting close to 100 bucks. And it ain't even what? I've been doing this since June 1st. So you can't tell me with the combination of your spare. Like I said, this is my latest $14 that I'm putting in. 36 already in here. You remember 33 from my digital money. Now all this done by what? June 1st of this year. Yes. So like I said, it's not hard. The hardest part is like, do you really want to save? Do you really want to have a great budget? This is the way. Especially when I show you how to get that digital money. And then you can get interest. Like I said, how you get that interest is, first of all, look at my video, part 1, 2, and 3, and it will tell you. We on the road, 5,000 in less than 90 days. We gonna do this together. Yes. Now, I forgot to show you how I was going to do that. Since I made 10 twice, so I'm going to put a D there, and then I turn around and made $13, so I'm going to put D there, and then 2 D's there. And it let me know I did the 10 twice digital and $13 D digital. So you can see my road to what? $5,000. Look at that. It ain't taking long. Remember, I started this June 1st. And like I said, I'm going to show you the digital way of how I'm doing it. And this is a faster way. This is great. And like I said, it's coming up. I'm going to show you how I'm doing it. This is the modern way of getting what? The road to getting that money. And you can set those goals. Now, wouldn't you like to earn up to $2.05 and 1 cent cash back on playing some of your favorite games? What? Look at that, reach level 31. And this is what you could get in cash back. And you could do that by what? Combining your digital money and cash envelope savings to get maximum results. And my goal is the road to $5,000. And the digital side of it, inbox dollars. Yes, inbox dollars. The link will be below to get started and get to that road of 5,000. And you could play games like this and get cash back. What's a great way? That way, you don't have to, if you don't have cash available, you will have digital cash. If you get started on these surveys, do surveys, play games, shop, whatever you do, search online, refer friends, and do that and get these cash back. Look at these games you could play and get what? Cash back. If you are good with video games and you love to save, this is the way to do it. Inbox dollar. This is just one of the ways to that digital money. The link is below. Don't forget. And with your envelopes, and you can save very quickly. I just showed you that, and I know you can do it because we're going to do it together. Link is below. This is another website, Payview Point. I just cashed out. That's how I came up with the $13 and some change. And look at it. They got surveys available. They waiting for me so I could get that digital money. The road to digital money. I'm telling you, the link is below. And look, this is a great way to stick to your budget, an easy way to control and stick to that budget. And you know what? And, it's a great way to, to make sure you stop that impulse buying. It just helps out on that. And you can set this aside and focus on the things that you really set your goal on, that you really make a difference on your savings. And especially the digital part. Like I say, if you take so much out of your check every week and then do the digital, we could do this in less than 90 days. It can be done. And like I said, I just cashed out with them. That's why it says 0. But the link is below, and it's Payview Point. You do surveys, very short surveys, and you can earn up to $25 cash for every friend that you refer. But sign up first. But make sure you sign up for your PayPal. Like I said, the PayPal, and then you can get your PayPal debit card. Sign up. And then, so you could start that road to the PayPal savings. Like I said, I'll show you earlier. The PayPal savings went for, it was 4.13%. Now it's 4.303. I can't say it. 4.30%. Now that's what it is now. But sign up so you get that. You can then get interest off that money too. It's the road to saving. Get started. I'm gonna do the surveys right after I get through filming. This is a great way. The link is below. Get started. And next one, waiting for that digital money, is branding surveys. Look there, I got a little amount because I really need to, gear up and do some more surveys with them. It's a great company. You could do these surveys. Great way to earn. And like I said, the link be below. Get started. and get to that road to what? $5,000. Like I said, sign up for that PayPal. It's free to join. And then you can get what? That debit card and then PayPal savings. Sign up for that. It's free. All this is free. And then get that interest off that money. That's constantly, look, the Income's Idea Hub is for you constantly to make money. That's what I'm about. I'm about you truly making money. I'm not saying you're going to be a millionaire. I'm just saying that you could be on the road to set your goals, your money goals that you want to set. That's all I'm saying. Brandon Surveys. Get started. Now, if you like saving on gas, if you need gas every week, this is a great way to save on gas, groceries, depending on where you located on the groceries, and on the restaurants, depending on where you are. But mainly on gas, it's Upside. The link is below. Right now, they have a thing going on where, for a limited time, where you could split $22 with a friend. All you have to do is sign up, and you and a friend, which is me, it's me and the friend, that you could earn $11 by joining. All you have to do is spend $10 in a single purchase by June 25th, 2023. That's all. And then you will see how great Upside is. And think about that. That's a part of your digital money. If you get gas every week, what? And like I said, on the groceries, depending on the where you live, and you can get groceries, what? And then the restaurants, depending on where you live. And like I said, this is through June 25th. You would get $11 for spending $10 or more in a single transaction through June 25th, 2023. Sign up for Upside and get to those savings. Woo! To the road to what? $5,000. Now, another great site is Ibotta. It's been out a while, where you get cash back everywhere you shop, from groceries to clothes or whatever you want to buy. And you could do in-store and online. And what a great way. And you can sign up so you can get that digital money. You got to go to the grocery store. Then, like I said, certain items you might need, and get that cash back. If you're going to shop online, especially or in-store anyway, why not get the cash back on some of the items that you like to buy? Ibotta. The link is below. And get started. Get started. And then, look, combine that digital money and that cash envelope to get the maximum savings. The link be below on all these items I told you about. Look, Income Ideas Hub, that's what I'm about, helping you to save money. Guess what? So we could maintain these budgets and stick to our goals. What a great way. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel and get started. Get started. Yeah.